my name is Gustav Felix. I am the managing director of Watercoolers Europe, and I am in this business since over 20 years. The Watercoolers Europe represents the interest of the water dispenser industry in larger Europe and partly in Middle East. The main mission of Watercoolers Europe is to ensure that our members promote and maintain the highest standards on quality and hygiene to the benefit of consumer protection, and we have to make sure that our members comply with all European regulation. By doing this, Watercoolers Europe secures the investments of our members in the industry. The membership of Watercoolers Europe consists of national associations and direct members. And direct members are coming from countries where Watercoolers Europe doesn't have yet established a national association. If we look of what kind of companies are member of Watercoolers Europe, then we look at bottling facilities, we look at distributors, we look at manufacturers and companies supplying products and services to the industry. The Watercoolers Europe is a source of technical and regulatory expertise, and we do assist our national association and our members in the work with regulators and generally in all regulatory matters. We keep our members updated with all the regulations, giving them the opportunity to adapt on time and not to have any surprises which are coming from the European Commission. And at the same time, we create our own standards, standards which in the meantime has been accepted by the EU Commission. We do act as a single voice towards the EU regulatory bodies. And another issue that we are doing for our members are the events that we do every year. And these events give our members the opportunity to promote their development, to meet their customers and their suppliers, to expand their business, and to establish a win-win situation. We noticed in the last couple of years a shift towards sustainability and eco-friendly hydrations. The consumers are increasing looking for reusable water bottles. They are looking for filtration, and we see more and more interest on hydration apps to track their water intake. It is pretty challenges, but this is part of our work, and through education, through training, information, and advocacy, we promote a safe hydration at every age, and we promote health, and with the hydration we promote well-being. Talking about our industry, we should be very happy that we comply with the expectations regarding sustainability and eco-friendly hydration. And by saying that, I'm thinking of every part of our industry, which includes the bottled water coolers. And when we look at the bottled water coolers, we know that our bottles are refillable, reusable, and recyclable, which is a great advantage. And we also know that the industry is working on the transportation issue, and more the transportation is done by electric trucks. As an example, it's what happens momentarily very strongly in Austria. When we look to filtration, we see that our point of use, so-called bottle-free water coolers, are giving a high-quality drinking water, and the same is reflected in the installation of ETS, integrated tap systems. And all these three areas are covered by our industry. We will be very pleased to have with us at the next event, which takes place in Bucharest, all the people involved in the water dispenser industry. Will be happy to welcome them there, and will be there to show them innovation. We'll show them via conferences and workshops what is going on in the industry, to keep them updated and motivated, and to be happy that we are working in an industry where we deliver water, which is a product nobody can live without.